So this video is going to be a quick look about what you get in the box when you buy a Ninja Creami ice cream maker. Here's the retail box that just showed up. You get a recipe book, your instructions, and a quick start guide. Get a cardboard box here. Plastic cap and a container. So it says this is not a blender, this is your freezer container. Spacer. Here's the paddle. Here's the unit itself. We'll remove that lid. And that's everything you get with the Ninja Creami. Check back for more videos about how to use this ice cream maker.